Fractions can be multiplied by other numbers, including other fractions. In this video, we will look at examples of multiplying fractions by other fractions. Let's start with an example. What is the area of this rectangle? Express your answer as a fraction in simplest form. The area of a rectangle is the length times the width. Since each of these measurements are fractions, then the area of this rectangle is the product of these fractions. When multiplying fractions, look for common factors between any of the numerators and denominators. Here, the denominator 10 and the number 2 are even numbers and therefore have a common factor of 2. Rewrite the 10 as the product of 2 and 5. The 2 in the denominator and the 2 in the numerator divide out. What's left is 1 in the numerator and 5 times 3 in the denominator. The result is 1/15. Let's look at another example. What is the area of this triangle? Express your answer in simplest form. The area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height, as shown in the formula. Since the base has a fractional value, then finding the area of this triangle involves multiplying two fractions. We plug in the values of the base and height into the area formula to get this expression. Notice the two 2's in the denominators and the 8. Rewrite the 8 as the product of 2's to factor out a pair of 2's. This leaves 3 times 2, which is 6. Let's look at a final example. The diameter of this circle is 13. What is the area of the green shaded portion? Express the answer in fraction form. We want to calculate the area of a semicircle, so multiply the formula for the area of a circle by 1/2, as shown here. Area equals 1/2 pi r squared. Also, the radius is half the diameter. Plugging in values into the formula for the area of a semicircle, we get this expression. Notice that 13/2 is squared, so both the numerator and denominator are squared. We get this expression. There are no common factors greater than 1 in the numerator or denominator, so we end up with the improper fraction 169/8, which results in the mixed number 21 1/8, which is multiplied by pi.